These are always good sellers at Unique, especially in classics. It's a 1994 Cadillac Fleetwood. Original mile car. 47,588, I believe it is. Two-owner vehicle, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles. Light driftwood metallic, the neutral interior. I want to point this out, is missing the rub strip up in the front bumper. Otherwise, let's take a look at the grille, headlights, chrome bumper. The folks that owned this previously owned a few Cadillacs. Number 15. LT1, V8 underneath the hood, paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. You can show the paint, and this one shows well. I did notice up front there's just a couple little spots where they had touched up. I don't even know if they're hardly going to show up all right there. So let's take a look down this passenger side. I want you to remember, with our pre-owned vehicles that we sell, this will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That is included with it. On this particular car, that may be extendable up to 10 years with the same coverage. Of course, the split bench seat up front. Leather interior, and again, neutral interior to contrast nicely with this light driftwood metallic. And you can see it's not full of nicks, dings, scratches up and down the passenger side. That vinyl roof also in nice shape, no rips, tears, really showing much wear at all. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Another thing to watch on these cars is lots of times this filler panel can become kind of brittle, cracked. Nice shape on this car. Let's go ahead and take a look at the rear chrome. And nice all the way through as far as the filler panel goes. And take your time looking through the still pictures. uniqueclassiccars.com. Be able to see pics of the trunk, the RPO code stickers, so you know exactly how this car is equipped. Be able to see underneath the hood, the underside of this car. Take a look at that. Take a look at the floor pans, everything on the underside of the car. See how clean it is. You'll be able to see many pictures of the rear seating area. We're going to take a peek at that. As you can see, nice, luxurious seats, comfortable. Great cars for going down the road. Of course, you can have your rear vanity mirrors. Listen to that door close. Of course, power seats, both sides, all your other Cadillac amenities in there. Nicely equipped cars, power steering, power brakes, AC as mentioned before, then power windows, power locks. Of course, the power seating, heated seats, power lumbar, power reclining. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Take a look at the exact miles. One thing you will not notice on this car is any sort of warning lights, check engine lights, service lights, anything like that. There's your exact miles, 47,588. AM, FM, cassette, CD, has them all in the mid-90s model. Kind of the crossover time for that. Top of the dash, not cracked, faded, sun-baked, anything like that. Also good shape. You notice that headliner when we took a peek at the rear vanity mirrors, all in good shape. Slip around to the back so you hear this run like you'd expect a stock Fleetwood to sound. And let's see if I can get this hood open, take a little peek under that. There it is, 5.7 liter LT1 power, smooth running, good reliable engines. Again, that's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. I don't expect this one to last long. 1994 Cadillac Fleetwood Chrome, 2-owner car, low miles. Remember, it comes with that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included. That may be extendable up to 10 years of the same coverage. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. 507-386-1726. Unique Classic Cars. Take a look at all the still pictures. And we can assist with transportation. Financing is available. And of course, we do consider trades.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1994 Cadillac Fleetwood. As you can see, there's a little bit of snow left on the ground in Minnesota, but the roads are primarily dry, and we do wash our vehicles so we can do these driving videos for you. If there's any flickers in the dash, in the numbers on the dash, it is digital and it's just our camera's frame rate. It's nothing wrong with the dash. This is a very smooth car, very comfortable, quiet. Let's get her up to speed. Got some good V8 power. Radio works good. She goes perfectly straight down the road. Very smooth. Not feeling any shakes or wobbles. Surprisingly quiet. Nice leather seating. We have a digital speedometer, digital fuel gauge reading 3/4. It says 47,586 miles on this car, and it feels like new. Very clean interior, nice carpeting. Got leather on the steering wheel. Good in the corners. Just a very comfortable Cadillac with lots of power and lots of options. Check out all the details at uniqueclassiccars.com.